everybody. I wanted to do a really quick video tonight just to let you know. Sure, you've seen my posts and you know I am in Cancun this week. And so very exciting. I am at the International Travel Agent Forum. It's been an awesome event, but I wanted to post tonight really quickly because this is so exciting. So I am at the Haven Resort here in Cancun. It opened 4 days ago. This place is amazing, adults only, and beautiful, modern, sleek. But I'm gonna do this because I wanted to say hi to everybody, but I'm gonna flip this around because you have just got to check this out. This place is amazing. This is, well, these right here that you're seeing. So these are the swim out rooms. How beautiful. How absolutely beautiful. And then, if you keep on going, and it's night, I apologize, but we had to come here late at night. Right there's the ocean. So, oh my gosh, amazing, beautiful beach area. Now this is what's so cool. Check out this pool. It is huge. I have never seen a pool this big before. This is just one, and it is absolutely huge. And then you can see right up there, of course, they have a little swim bar, DJ stand. I mean, this place, amazing. Absolutely amazing. So just wanted to share it with you all. If you have any questions at all, give me a call. I'll post some more pictures. It won't be live, but I'll post some pictures of everything else that I've seen at this resort that is just absolutely amazing. I'll post those later on tonight. But give me a call, and you know what? The best thing is they are running a super great promo until October 30th. So, and it is good for bookings all the way through 2019. So, if you're liking what you see and you're thinking you want to check this place out, give me a call and we can talk about it because now is the time.